Now let's consider the soft-coated Wheaton's neck and body. The neck is medium in length and is clean and strong. Carried proudly, it gradually widens, blending smoothly into the body. The shoulders are well laid back and are clean and smooth. They should be well knit. Notice the lovely neck set on this dog. To achieve the proper reach in front, it is necessary for the upper arm to be properly angled and of sufficient length to place the elbow under the dog. This dog has a proper front assembly. The chest is deep, reaching nearly to the elbow. The forelegs are straight and well boned. From the front, note again the clean shoulders with no heaviness or coarseness. The chest is deep and the forelegs straight. Again, remember to feel through the coat to determine actual structure. This dog appears to be too steep in shoulder. This dog's forequarters are well angulated. The elbows are held close to the body, and the feet point straight ahead. The front feet are round and compact, with good depth of pad. The pads and nails are black. Dew claws should be removed. The Wheaton's body is compact and relatively short-coupled. The back is strong and level, and the ribs are well sprung without roundness. Note again the good depth of brisket and the moderate tuck-up. Again, you must use your hands to determine if the proper level top line is present. This dog has a ridgy top line. He also has a poor tail set. This dog's correct proportions include a compact, short-coupled body and a strong, level top line. He is square in outline. The tail is docked and set high. It's generally docked to about 1/2 of the natural length, but in any case should be such that it preserves the overall balanced appearance of the dog. Generally, the length of the tail equals about 1/2 the length of the neck. It's carried gaily and should never be over the back. This squirrel tail is incorrect. It is carried too far over the back. This tail is well set on and correctly carried. There is ample rump behind the tail. The hindquarters are strong, with well-developed hind legs and well-bent stifles. The angulation of the hindquarters balances that of the forequarters, preserving the overall symmetry of the animal. This dog is over-angulated in the rear. Straight stifles are to be faulted as well. This dog's hindquarters are correct, with well-developed hind legs and well-bent stifles. From the rear, see how the hocks turn neither in nor out, but are parallel. Note, too, the good muscling of the thighs. Like the front feet, the rear feet are round and compact, with thick black pads and dark nails. Dew claws should be removed. The Wheaton's unique coat is his most distinguishing characteristic, setting him off from any other terrier breed. Ideally, it is an abundant single coat, covering the entire body, legs, and head. The coat above the eyes falls forward, shielding them. Ideally, it is soft and silky in texture. It shines and has a gentle wave. Although not considered ideal, there is a range of acceptable coat. While the ideal coat undergoes little change throughout the life of the dog, most Wheatons go through 3 distinct coat changes: puppy, adolescent, and adult. Wheaten puppy coat is often full and fairly straight, quite soft and somewhat downy. In transition from puppy to adult coat, often coarser guard hairs appear, generally starting at the neck and moving down onto the body. Many good-coated specimens will have almost an overlay of guard hairs during this time, but the overall quality of the coat should be silky. While the coat in transition often does not retain the softness of the ideal coat or of most puppy coat, it should never be of excessively coarse or wiry texture. Generally, the transition is not complete until the Wheaten is between 2 and 3 years of age. The adult coat starts appearing at the neck, spreading over the shoulders and down the back. Often a dog can appear to have 2 different coats at once. These adult coats are all correct. They lie close to the body in gentle waves and are silky and shiny. This curly coat is not correct. Note how it stands away from the body. And here, despite the attempt to disguise the fault, curls are evident behind the ear, on top of the head, and on the sides of the head and muzzle.